sometimes we will need to factor the polynomials in order to simplify them. So in this case, while I multiply these fractions together and combine them into one big fraction, I'm also going to factor them at the same time. So we're going to end up with this factor of x minus 3 on the top. And when we rewrite the 9x squared minus 4, let's go ahead and factor it at the same time. So we notice that this is a difference of squares, so that's going to be 3x plus 2, 3x minus 2. And then 3x minus 2 in the bottom, there's not much we can do with that as far as factoring, so we're just going to rewrite that, 3x minus 2. But we can factor a 3 out of this 3x minus 9, giving us 3 times x minus 3. So we've combined everything into one big fraction and we've factored at the same time. The reason we do this is it now allows us to see what factors can cancel. So if we divide the top and bottom of this fraction by x minus 3, we lose this factor and this one. If we divide the top and bottom by 3x minus 2, we lose this one and this one, leaving us with 3x plus 2 over 3, which is our final answer. And recall, we cannot cancel out these 3's because what we're really doing is dividing the top and bottom of this fraction by 3, and if we did that, we'd end up with a 2/3 over here. So this is our final answer. The first step, I'm going to multiply these and combine them into one fraction, and I'm going to factor them at the same time. So we've got equals, well, x squared minus x minus 6 is going to factor as x minus 3, x plus 2. And then we're going to factor the 2x squared minus 5x minus 3, which is going to factor as 2x plus 1 times x minus 3. Now we'll multiply the bottom together, factoring each one as we go. We can factor 3x minus 9 as 3 times x minus 3. And in this denominator, we can factor an x out, giving us x times x minus 3. Now we look at all our factors in the entire fraction and look for things that we can cancel out. So it looks like if we divide the top and bottom by x minus 3, that will go. If we divide the top and bottom by x minus 3 again, these will go. And it doesn't look like there's any more factors that can be combined, leaving us with x plus 2 times 2x plus 1 over 3x. And if we want, we could multiply that out to get 3x in the bottom. When we FOIL the numerator, we're going to get 2x squared plus x plus 4x would be plus 5x, and then plus 2.